Okay, good day everyone. And my name is CJ guys, and I am your assessor for today. And before we proceed, and I will check the attendance and I will become the one. And I will now. And also, I will collect the admission slip. So for today, the qualification is the web development and safety under the ICT sector. So this is the qualification summary, and these are the list of competencies. And we have three competencies. The first one is basic competencies. The second one is the common competencies. And the core competencies. And we are trying to develop responsive web design, and the new code is ICT 2.1.02. And next. This is the floor plan. And we are in competency area. So before we proceed to the assessment, can you fill out this self-assessment guide and competency assessment agreement? Don't forget to put your name and the speaker. So let's proceed to the assessment. So candidate number 1, can you proceed to the assessment area? So for the assessment is create a responsive web design using HTML, and if you have 1 hour to do that task, and call me if you're done. And also, just answer this in 30 minutes, the test package. And don't forget your name and city code. Thank you. So you can go. The next is candidate number 2. Let's proceed to the assessment area. So before we proceed, candidate number 2, you create a responsive web design using HTML, and you have 1 hour to do the task, and call me if you are done. Sir? Sir? Okay. Okay. Sir, answer this also, the test package. And you have 30 minutes, sir. also. Thank you. You can go back. So let's proceed to the oral questions. Okay, padaling namin ang oral and oral proceed. So for the question 1 is what saan ka nahirapan sa pagko-code at ano yung mga struggles?
For me, sir, I struggle a lot with the coding, especially on how to explain on how to properly code the codes that are needed para maging maayos yung pinaka-website ko.
Okay, good answer. And I see your job is okay and you meet the standard and you are now competent. I will announce that and answer this rating sheet. Don't forget the So, the question is, ano yung mga naging experience mo? And nahirapan ka ba sa paggawa ng code? Okay. One of the answer, summary ng meetings. As I can see at your task, you're not meet the standard for the qualification. Sorry, you're not competent, but I encourage you to re-exam the assessment in a month. So you can fill up this also the rating sheet with our question. You can do that. So the assessment is that I congratulate candidate number 1 to be competent, and for the candidate sorry, but you can the exam next month. So I appreciate it and give you the support of me. And candidate number 1, this is your certificate for being a competent. Thank you. Thank you. And this is all for today.